Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I want to read some article in investing.com by Meda Singh and Bansari Mayur Kamdara. Rail stock climb as tentative deal with workers effort shutdown. Shares of Union Pacific Corp and CSX Corp rose in pre-market trading on Tuesday after major U.S. railroads struck a tentative deal with unions for better pay and working conditions, notably affecting the rail. The two sides reached the agreement following 20 hours of intense talks brokered by the Biden administration. The deal now goes to the unions to be voted on. A person familiar with the talks told Reuters. Shares of Union Pacific rose 4% and CSX gained 2.5%. If a deal had not materialized before the deadline of 1 minute after midnight on Friday, the resulting legal worker strikes could have cost the U.S. economy $2 billion per day and led to food and fuel supply disruption across the country. Railroads have apparted this industrial unrest, which can only be good for their financial performance, said Susanna Street, senior investment and market analyst Hargreaves Lansdowne. The deal also offers some relief to investors already grappling with the impact of the Federal Reserve's relentless interest rate hikes to curb surging inflation. Wall Street suffered its worst day in more than 2 years on Thursday after a hot August inflation report fueled bids of more aggressive monetary policy tightening. Digging deeper, many might have wondered how much of an impact a strike may have on rate rise decisions due to the potential impact on inflation, said Danny Hewson, financial analyst at AG Bell. Shares of Union Pacific Corp and CSX Corp rose in pre-market trading on Thursday after major U.S. railroads struck a tentative deal with unions for better pay and working conditions, normally averting a rail shutdown. The two sides reached the agreement following 20 hours of intense talks brokered by the Biden administration. The deal now goes to the unions to be voted on. A person familiar with the talks told Reuters. Shares of Union Pacific rose 4% and CSX gained 2.5%. If a deal had not materialized before the deadline of 1 minute after midnight on Friday, the resulting legal worker strikes could have cost the U.S. economy $2 billion per day and lead to food and fuel supply disruption across the country. Have averted this industrial unrest, which can only be good for their financial performance, said Susanna Street, senior investment and market analyst at Hargreaves Lansdowne. The deal also offers some relief to investors already grappling with the impact of the Federal Reserve's relentless interest rate hikes to curb surging inflation. Wall Street suffered its worst day in more than 2 years on Tuesday after a hot August inflation report fueled bids of more aggressive monetary policy tightening. Digging deeper, many might have wondered how much of an impact a strike may have on rate rise discussion due to the potential impact on inflation, said Danny Hewson, financial analyst at AG Bell. Shares of Union Pacific Corp and CSX Corp rose in pre-market trading on Tuesday after major U.S. railroads struck a tentative deal with unions for better pay and working conditions, normally averting a rail shutdown. The two sides reached the agreement following 20 hours of intense talks brokered by the Biden administration. talk brokered by the administration. The deal now goes to the unions to be voted on a person familiar with the talks told rhetorics. Share of Union Pacific rose 4% and CSA gained 22.5%. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.